So we're going to start. Jeremy made 36 cookies. Jeremy, did you know you're a baker? He wants to share them equally amongst 9 of his friends. How many cookies will each friend get? So I'm going to think, what is some important information in here? I'm noticing right away, and I'm thinking, I think I see 36 cookies. So I'm going to circle 36 and underline my cookies. Okay? He wants to share them equally amongst his friends, 9 of his friends. I see another important word. Another important word that I notice is share and equally. Equally, I've heard me say that before, equally. I see in the word equally, the first part is equal, so it probably means like an equal sign, right? Equally. And share, I know how to share. That means I'm going to give other people parts. And how many friends do I want to share, or he wants to share with? 9. Oh, there's a better marker. Here's my question. It's in blue. How many cookies will each friend get? Oh, there's another word Ms. Juarez is talking about. Each friend get. So now I'm thinking, okay, 36 is a large number, so that might be a total. And I know that I'm sharing it, so that means I'm taking it apart. Because I'm giving it to my friends. Because I know I've done that before when I'm playing. I share toys, and I give like one to you, one to you, one to you. So I think we're going to take these 36 cookies here. I think there's 36 here. So I'm going to share with how many of my friends? 9 of my friends. I'm going to look over here, and I'm going to try this one. Equal groups. That's one of our strategy multiplication, but I'm going to try it for division. So I'm going to make 36 groups, or should I make 9 groups? Probably 9, because it's 9 friends. So 1. Oh, I should make these bigger, huh? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Will I have enough room? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So the simplest way that I would start is I would say 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you until I run out, right? So let's try it. So that friend gets a cookie, cookie, cookie. I'm going to try to multitask here. Let's see. Are they getting equal amounts right now?
Yes.
Or am I doing 2 and then 1 and then 2 and maybe 1 here? No, I got to do equal amounts. So that's fair.
One more into each one.
Say that again, Robert.
One more into each one.
Right. Keep going. Now, if I was doing this on paper, I'd be doing tally marks or, right? Now, if I really knew my multiplication, I might be thinking to myself, how many times can 9 go into 36? Or what times 9 is 36? Some of us, like Adriana, know our multiplication very well. Uh-oh, I'm about to put one here. Is that right?
No.
Keep going. 3, 3. Okay, almost there. That's a lot of work, isn't it? I'm making sure I'm still in the right target. Yep. About to be out of cookies. I hope there's enough for everybody to have enough. Okay, does everybody have the same amount? Because I don't want any of my friends to get mad at me.
Yes.
So let's see. How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So
the
answer is 4.
Okay. So how many cookies? This is my question again. I want to make sure I answer it right. How many cookies will each friend get?
4.
4. So let me make sure. Remember I showed you guys this symbol here? Or this math sentence? So I'm going to try writing it. So it's 36 divided by 9 equals 4 friends each. But I told you that the inverse operation, or the opposite operation of division is, what's the opposite of division? Multiplication. So I'm going to check my work. I'm going to say 4 times 9 equals 36. Now, if I have my multiplication chart with me, I could easily go find that, right? If not, I could also say this is 9 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I count them all together, and I'd get back to what? 36. So the answer is 4 cookies each. Each or in all? Each. They each got 4 cookies. So was your answer right? You got it right? Good job. Okay, so I have this next one we're going to do together, okay? So give me a minute. I'm going to do some rearranging. Can I have Jeremy and Leonidas, can you pull all those cookies back to the corner while I get the new word problem? While you're waiting there, talk to your neighbor about what I just did. What did I just do? Oh, I like that. Somebody's. It does. It does say Miss Ortiz.
Where?
Y'all love Miss Ortiz, don't you?
Yes.
Yes, you can erase your board. Thank you for those of y'all that were trying. I didn't even ask you to try, and you tried.
I did it. You just said Mr. Summer, they try to
Okay.
me.
You can put it on top here. Okay. Okay, this one we're going to try together. And somebody already started reading it. Awesome. What? I sure did. I spelled it wrong, didn't I? Wrong. Let's make a correction there. No, brought. Okay, here we go. Miss Ortiz brought 24 cookies to school as prizes. There are 8 students. Ooh, nice. Read with me. There are 8 students who earn the cookies for working hard. Miss Ortiz will divide the cookies equally. How many cookies will they each get? So what should I do? What should I now start doing? Ah, I like that. Say that again. Circling and underlining important information. So let's read all the way to the first period. Miss Ortiz brought 24 cookies to school as prizes. What's super important here? 24 cookies. So she brought them here. Let's go to the next sentence. There are 8 students who earn the cookies for working hard. 8 students, and what did they do? Well, they earned it, right? Yay. Okay, Miss Ortiz will divide the cookies equally. Equally, what else? Divide. Anything else? Is that good? How many cookies each get? Good. Okay, so those, what are we doing here? Multiplying or dividing? How do you know we're dividing and not multiplying? It says divide. It says for you to divide, right? So what's the total we're starting with? 24. What are we going to divide by? 8. And so we have to find the answer. Okay? So what should I do? Which strategy are we working on? Robert, what strategy are we working on? Equal groups, right. So how many groups should I make? Should I make 24 groups or 8 groups? 8. Why 8 and not 24?
Because that has a bigger number and 8 is kind of short.
And?
And there's 8 kids.
8 students. 8 students that we're separating them with. Okay, good. Ready, let's do it. You draw it on your board at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you're finished, turn to your or check that your neighbor's done the same. Got it? Okay, so now what are we going to do? What's next? How are we going to find out how many? Put the cookies on. You want to come up and start doing it? You can help Brianna, but make sure that you guys stay on track because it could easily mess up if we're not careful. Oh, you already did it. Good job. You got it. Good. Are you going to work on this? That is. Can you show me your work though? We got it. Good. Got it. Good. Good job. Now remember, there's 36 cookies up there. Hang on. Hang on. Time out. Let's see how many cookies we got so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so right now there's something wrong. They're not equal. Okay, so this one has 3 and this one has 3. So finish putting these away, but make sure that they have equal amounts. Oh, you found the good job. Brianna found the error. She was looking and she's like, wait a minute, they're not equal, but she noticed that there was 4 here and she moved it over to this group. So what can we put here? How many in each? How many were in each? How many did each student get? 3 cookies. Give me a thumbs up if you agree with them.
Me.
Very good. Okay, so now what I'm noticing is you got the hang of this, right? So what I'm going to have you do is you're going to go back to your desk, and at your desk, you're going to try the problems that are there. You have counters to use if necessary, and there's also pictures to help guide you if necessary as well. Okay? Go ahead and take the boards and the markers back to your desk. And you're going to work with the person right next to you. So thank you for pleasing. Okay. Jessie. Jessie, she's ready. All right, Brandon. So let's just wait.
Don't do the cookie. We're doing the cookie when I push. I don't know.
Oh, nice. So what are you Don't forget to underline and circle your important information. You can write on here. You can write on here. Well, what do you think? What are you going to tell us? Which are you doing this problem first? Okay, so, oh, look, she's divide. So that tells you right away what you're going to do, right? Okay, so circle that word. challenge is for those of y'all that finished quickly, because I have a group that's already finished, I want you to flip it over and I want you to create your own word problem. Okay, your own word problem.
Miss,
Can you finish early? Yes, you're going to draw this here on this paper, okay? It's your evidence for why your answer is what it is.